I just found an awesome way to be able to schedule colored background photos on Facebook. So in this video, I'm going to show you how. So as I have like over 100 of these, woohoo! I just clicked on not that. So as I have like 110 of these ready to schedule um, on Notion, it's pretty quick. I realized pulling them up on the phone. I already scheduled this one, so I'm going to hit completed. But what you could do is like, what costs more, paying for guidance or paying the price of guesswork? We'll see how that goes. And then I'll copy. And then I'm probably just going to complete that now so I don't have to go back to it. Oh, and then go over here to Facebook. And I find that it seems like when I long press and paste, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Like it worked that time, but I find it works more when I hit the clipboard um, like that, the button down there. But anyways, this worked well, so I'll just use it. And then I'm going to go to schedule post, schedule for later. I just did Wednesday, so I'll do Thursday now. And I find that it's going to do whatever time. No, it's 10:45. I don't know how it comes up with that. Maybe it's like 2 hours ahead. I don't know, but if it's like before lunch, I'm usually fine with it, whatever. I don't think the time really matters that much, so I'm just gonna post that. Then it's done, and it's actually quite quick. So if investing in mentorship scares you, imagine repeating today's struggles for another year. Ooh, that's rough. And then hit complete. I mean, I can't put the date on it. Um, Probably would be good. See, I hit the bottom right above my keyboard. That's what I put up there, and I may be delusional, but I think it works better. Um, so anyways, post now. Yeah, so this seems to work pretty good. Go Friday. Go Friday. And then investing in growing your health business isn't risky. Playing small is. Ooh. Wow. That's rough. And then click it next. As you can see, you could actually do it pretty quickly. I'm going to skip Sabbath for that one. Skip Sabbath twice, but I'm sure we can find a Sabbath appropriate one. If you see a Sabbath appropriate one, just go ahead and put it there. Money spent on mentorship multiplies. Money saved out of fear disappears.
Out of fear? Oh, out of fear.
So I wonder if I want to add an S, but I guess not. So let's see if publish date's pretty easy. Oh, I guess that's pretty easy too. So I'm gonna do it on Sunday the 14th. So done. Huh. That's not hard. So I'll probably do that. Whoops. I think I just clicked something. The wrong button. But oh well. See, it didn't show up. So I'm gonna back out because this thing. Yeah. But then when I put it in, hit above there, it works. When I long press and then paste, it doesn't seem to pull up the color background. But when I push above the keyboard, it seems like it does. So that's kind of nice. I want a green one. Yeah, like that. Ooh, that looks ugly. Oh, I want it really, really white. Whatever. I'm just going. It all looks ugly now. I'm going to stay back on this. And then I said I would schedule it on a Tuesday. Whoa. Is it already the 11th? Oh my. Maybe I was going to do it on the 22nd. Oh well, I forgot. I don't even know what's going down there, but I'm going to post it on that day. And then, busy isn't productive. Ooh. There you go. I like that. It's pretty cool. This is going on a Wednesday. So I'm going to go 23 Wednesday. Yeah. I think that makes more sense. And then I'm going to hit completed. And I'm switching. And as you can see, it's actually pretty quick. That's some solid advice. I actually like that quote. That's pretty cool. Schedule now. It's going to Wednesday 23rd. And post. And as you can see, just within like 5 minutes, I already scheduled like 2 weeks. 2 weeks of content. Stop counting followers, start counting transactions. There are transformations in the transactions. Can change your income as a healthcare. This is pretty profound. And it's going to a Thursday. So, oh, and it popped it up on top. Interesting. So it must be sorted like that. So I'll go completed. Yeah, completed. Brain has to think about it for a moment. I put it from the clipboard. Yeah, it really looks like it's been pretty consistent when I post from clipboard. To be honest, I think it's so much faster to not even change the time. It might not, like, I don't think the time really matters. Because Facebook's going to show it to people. Oh, that says March 23rd. How did that happen? What is March? April, May, March. Did that get scheduled? Am I in March? I'm confused. Maybe it's posted multiple times. Wait, February, March. I'm in April. So I'm going to do it on the 25th. Whoops. April 25th. Completed. And posting on the 25th. Hey, maybe even just verbalizing the word 25 would 25th will help me to remember it. Using AI has changed people's lives, but 99% don't know how to use it correctly. Those are cool hooks. One day I'm going to be posting those. Apparently he says he does these manually, so I don't know, but that's cool. The right speech doesn't just educate, it elevates your entire brand. Some health educators are polishing their sales page. Nobody's visiting yet. It's like a crown jewel. Like, oh, some people are polishing their sales page. No one's visiting yet. Like it's a crown jewel. Publish the thing. Maybe instead of sales page, we'll say some health educators are polishing their online course or their say their education program, the information program, training program. Nobody's buying yet like it's a crown jewel. Let's publish the thing. Oh, that might be too many words. Oh well. Some health educators are polishing their videos nobody's viewing yet. Like it's a crown jewel. Publish a thing. Oh, I see. So it was one of those copy and paste things. Got it. This is going on a Sunday because I'm skipping Sabbath. So it's 27. I'm going to say the word 27. See if that helps me to remember why. 27. Yeah, I think it did help. Yeah, just like that. That was actually pretty good. I want to start saying that out loud. So then, time isn't your enemy. Inaction is. First video will be awkward, so we're 47th. Publish anyways. That's good. That's good counts right there. So this is not Sunday, so the 28th. 28 completed. 28. And as you can see, we already published significant amount. Scheduling options, schedule for later. 28. So I scheduled like almost 3 weeks worth of content in 10 minutes. So hopefully that's encouraging. That's daily pieces of content. So anyways, that's my story and I'm sticking to it. Hopefully this is helpful. But I see this is good. I like that reframe. I'm gonna put this on 29th, Tuesday 29th. Maybe even saying the day of the week could be even next level helpful. Tuesday 29th. Yeah, that helped. I like that even better. So anyways, 3 weeks of content in 10 minutes. So I trust that will be clarifying.